Creating a DIY Valentine wreath. You first want to bend the wreath and create the heart shape. This may take a couple of tries to get the wreath into the heart shape, but eventually it will be a heart shape that you need. When the heart shape is formed, you want to take your gold garland and wrap it on the left side but only halfway. Then grab your red garland and wrap the right side. Grab some gold diamond wrap along with some wood heart decor. The hearts came from Hobby Lobby and the diamond wrap was on clearance from Pop Shelf. You will be using two different heart shapes, a bigger wood heart and then a medium heart shape for the wreath. Flip the diamond wrap on its back, because you are going to trace the hearts onto the wrap. Use your scissors and cut out the hearts. You will cut out two hearts from the gold wrap. You are going to use a red diamond wrap and do the same thing again with the hearts. I am going to use a pink glitter glue on the wood hearts to give the wood a background color. Then I am using the glue gun and adding glue all around the wood heart and then placing the hard diamond heart onto the wood. You are going to do this process for all the hearts. I am going to make a gift bow out of this gold ribbon to be placed on the wreath. So, be patient on this part because I am not an expert in making gift bows, but I am sure going to try to make some gift bows. Now I am going to use this red ribbon and going to make another gift bow. I am going to use gold wire to wrap the gold and red ribbon onto the wreath. Both of the ribbons are going to be placed in the center of the wreath. Take your craft knife and make a small hole in the middle of the wood hearts. This is going to allow for the gold wire to go through the small holes and allow for the wire to be tied at both ends. That way you have a way of hanging the hearts onto the wreath. You want to place the gold hearts on the red garland side and the red hearts on the gold garland side. Grab some lights and wrap the lights around the wreath. Now you can either place the wreath outside so your neighbors can check out the awesome and easy DIY you made for Valentine's, or place it anywhere else you would like instead. Valentine's wreath with lights completed.